It's terrible. Shameful is what it is.
Alright. What? Yeah, sure, whatever you need. Hello, my friend.
Yes, Mom?
You still need to remove
All
that
right.
blood stain from the incident.
Don't listen
Oh,
to
yes,
Fenn
ma'am.
if you
I'll
meet
make
him.
sure it
I
gets
did
done.
not hit him with a wagon. Ah, so you want me to do your dirty work. Alright. Hello, my friend. Here? Alright, I'm glad I brought my sujama with me. Great, let's get back on the road. Sure, just don't take my sujama. Hello, my friend.
This is an
Yeah,
ode to
sure.
Skyrim's staunch protectors.
The Reach. I don't know where exactly. The witch who raised me said she found me in the Karth Delta, so I'm from a river. I like to think I was born in Karth Waston, as when I met my grandfather, he said he was born there. So I don't know where I'm from exactly. I only know that my only blood relative is from Karth Waston. Yeah, sure. Ah, hold on. Yeah, I forgot to buy sweet rolls for my granddad. My bad. Yeah, sure. Too young. I'm 32, you swit. I know I'm small, but come on. Yeah, sure.
But this land is ours, and we'll see it wipe clean of the scourge that has sown
Alright.
our hopes and ours.
Finally, I can go sit down.
Need something? Come, I haven't got all day. Come, I haven't got all day.